Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in commodities market. The overnight soybean oil March month dropped 0.36 to close higher at 40.30. Thailand active farmer contracts dropped 82 points to close lower at X688 on previous night sessions. Malaysia crude palm oil futures moved sideways on Tuesday with the profit taking limiting the gains ahead of Christmas holiday. The FCPO March month contract rose 16 points to close higher at 4558. So tracking the bearish performance in the rival markets, oil, the palm price likely to experience technical corrections. The price recently in the hourly charts is broke up from a minus downward channel, the resistance lines, with the price seen at 4525 to 4530. So currently serve as the supporting range. So the supported above this range, we might see the buyings to continue, and we see the resistance at 4560 to 70. If the price uh, could further break above the resistance range, we might see further heights towards the next resistance range around 4600 range here. Right, so for morning sessions, our recommendations on CPO markets will be long positions may be open above 4530 with the target to set at 4560 to 4586 and a stop loss at 4510. Alternatively, the short positions may be open below 4530 with the target to set at 4506 to 4485 and a stop loss to set at 4550. And next, returning our focus to the index markets. Overnight Dow Jones rose 390 points to close higher at 43297. The Wall Street Major Indexes closed higher on Tuesday with the mega caps and growth stock driving the gains in the short sessions. The Dow and Nasdaq marked 4 straight wins, with the S&P 500 extended its streak to 3, kicking off the Santa Claus rally. Earlier, the Dow faced its longest losing streak since 1974. Over in Malaysia, the benchmark index FPM KLCI extending its positive momentum on Tuesday, closing above the key psychology level of 1,600, driven by the sustained buying in utilities and industry blue chip stock, according to an analyst. The FKLI December month contracts rose 6.5 points to close high at 1596.5. Okay, now when we're looking at this, the daily charts of the FKLI, it's remained trading within the downward channels, and now is at the resistance line, hovering at the resistance lines of the downward channels, and the index in the hourly charts on these morning sessions is on previous session is still within the sideways consolidations. Previously, the top of the sideways we see at 1598 to 97. So in this morning sessions, the index broke up from this the top of the sideways consolidations now serves as the support range here. So next, the resistance we see at the current level, which is 1603 to 02 here, and there is a movement after broke up. We want to see if it's still supported above 1598 to 95. There's likely the buying momentum will continues, likely to consolidate within this range, which is above 159897 and below 1602.5. And at the moment, we see some selling pressure over here. So if come back to the 98 again, supported, we might see the buying opportunity again. So just beware of any sentiment change at the moment. If you want to see the strong buying up, it must be breaking above the resistance range over here. We only can see the further upside. Right, so here's our recommendations and the wraps up for the sessions. Keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading, regardable seizing opportunities, and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Just keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view presented here are for your reference. Wishing you all successful tradings and see you in the next update and happy trading.